Hello guys, in this video, I want to introduce you about Casefold. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Casefold is a part of modify strings in Python. The Casefold method returns a string where all the characters are lowercase. This method is similar to the lower method, but the Casefold method is stronger, more aggressive, meaning that it will convert more characters into lowercase and will find more matches when comparing two strings, and both are converted using the Casefold method. For syntax, I want to type it in my screen. For syntax, string Casefold. Now I want to give you an example for it. txt equals hello. This is phrase. Now I want to make a variable x equals txt dot Casefold. Now print x. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.